Hi there, this is Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1977 Mercedes 350 SL. If you like Mercedes cars, stay tuned and let's take a look at this video because I'm going to show some details of this real German classic. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and to click the bell for news because new videos are also about to come. So let's unbox it and take a better look at it. And here we have our Mercedes. That is a 1977 Mercedes. This is the German Mercedes. It's not the American version of the Mercedes because of the bumpers and the headlights that are rectangular instead of having two rounded headlights as we used to see in the 1970s Mercedes in the US. We can see that this front grille here is made with very good level of detail. It's actually a grille, the Mercedes Star, and as we pop it open we see the very nice V8 engine, which is typical of this 1970s classic. It's got all cables and wires, a battery or reservoirs. Unfortunately this hood won't open more than this. This is a Sunstar issue, but anyway, it's still a very nice car. The engine bay is very well made. We can see all cables and stuff that are supposed to be in the engine. The radiator is well made as well. As we can see, there's a metallic mesh, so it's just like the real radiator. And the black color, in order not to be too body color here as we close the hood. Mercedes logo right here as a sort of a photo etched as a decal. Windshield wipers and windshield are very well made. The dashboard, it looks like leather actually. It's really very well reproduced. As we open the passenger door, we have a regular hinge. They could have made those ones just like in real cars. That's an issue. The carpet is nice. The dashboard is very nice. We have the sun visors, the headliner, the seats that tilt just like in the other cars. A very small back seat in which you can put some luggage and perhaps a small child at the most. Really, that's about a two-seater. The dashboard is really very nice, and the steering wheel as well. As we turn the wheels, it steers just like most of 1 to 18 cars. This door really won't close so well, but it's okay. It's just a small flaw, but it's not really something that would jeopardize the model. Wheels and tires look very nice. It's stainless steel wheel covers with the body color right here in the center. And the rear of the car with the logo, the 350 SL and the Mercedes logo right here in the center. The taillights, which are very realistic, the German license plate and the dual exhaust right here. And the trunk, which is quite simple but very well made. It's a small trunk anyway, it's a sports car. Bumpers and trim, they're all correct. As we open the driver's door and take a better look at the interior, mechanical transmission and all pedals, that's the accelerator, that's brake, clutch, and parking brake, just like in the American cars. Seat adjustments, central console. This looks very nice. These blinkers are really realistic. And the bottom of the car is quite simple, it's quite clean. Perhaps this is one of the features of German engineering. The mufflers right here, as we can see, is a V8, so we have a dual exhaust but just going on one side instead of having one end at each side. Spare tire compartment, a gas tank, and all details are supposed to be here. So this is quite clean, quite simple. There's just an issue here with the exhaust pipe. This one has to be fixed, so I'm going to check it out. Anyway, this car is a very nice Mercedes to have in those European classic car collection. It's got a working suspension, which is nice. It's got a very nice design, a very nice color. The model by Sunstar is really very well made, even though it's not a Sunstar Platinum. It says Sunstar Regular Line European Collectibles. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all comments and likes. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to click the bell for news, to leave your like and your comments below. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.